Bouncing Fig here. Today we're going to add another session to our rice series in Malaysia, and we are going to try out Nasi Kandar. Now, Nasi Kandar is a rice dish with many dishes and well known in Malaysia to be made within the Indian Muslim community and predominantly in Penang. But if you're in PJ or in KL, there are lots and lots of very good Nasi Kandar places.
Nama saya Abang Halim bin Ahmad. Saya dah start mula bisnes ni dah 4 tahun. So kita bawa makanan daripada negeri Kedah. So mana kita ada lauk-lauk yang special daripada negeri Kedah lah. Macam nasi kuning, lepas tu ayam madu. Saya belajar daripada mak saya lah.
I've got my wonderful plate of Nasi Kandar, Malay style, which is from Kedah, and I got myself some ladies' fingers, this black spice chicken, an egg, and of course deep fried fish egg, and it's delicious. This is what I love about Nasi Kandar. You got so many sauces. The mixture of sweet and spicy sauces, so you've got to mix it together because it's so delicious. There's so much love that's been put into this cooking, and with the onions, their specialty is the deep fried onion that they put in the rice itself, and the secret recipes from Abang Halim's family from Kedah. It is really different. So versus the more Indian Muslim style Nasi Kandar, you've got a very light, very Malay influenced style dishes that go into it. So it's absolutely delicious. And then I can't get enough of the black chicken. So this is something that I always order when I have Nasi Kandar, because there's all these secret spices that I don't know about. But you know, you need a handful of all the sauces and rice and dishes. And then ladies' fingers, dip it in the curry. This is the fried fish egg. It's like the Malaysian caviar. It pops in your mouth. It's very rich and got seafood flavor. Very fresh. Wow.
So, saya minta semua orang datang ke kedai saya yang dekat Seksyen 6 dan juga yang terbaru dekat Seksyen 3 Uptown Kota Damansara.